Okay, so time for a shake. No frozen fruit because there's no frozen fruit. But today, I've got to quit starting with negative things. Kimi and Rebecca, look at this beautiful chocolate and apple shake. So we have already put some creamy chocolate protein powder in there and a sliced up green apple that was washed before I started the video, and then this guy's gonna go under here. Wait, not that. Alright, ooh, maybe I should put some, this cute one. See, look at you, you're so brilliant. Oh, wait, I got all the ideas now. So I'm gonna put pomegranates in there, put tofu in there, and I put spinach sugar. So, pomegranates. I wasn't planning to do this video because I just did my devotion, but I think once upon a time I did. Oh, look at the shakiness. That was a lot. Okay. So, there's that. I thought I had to open baby spinach. Oh, maybe I used it yesterday. Kimi. Oh, I have a whole nother baby spinach. Ooh, we got 2 baby spinach. Look at this. So, okay. So, one big heaping handful baby spinach. Put these little guys. Oh wait! Oh no, it's. Oh maybe I should check that out. You are so good. Oh, really? So, do I need this? Do I need that? Oh, I have, see, I do have some. I don't have that in there. I don't have that in there. Oh, I just want milk. There's some milk. Where did I put? No. Oh, here. Okay. Regular tofu, and then some almond raised milk. So the thing is, once you open this, it doesn't, well, I don't know. See, I'm talking to myself, I'm like, it doesn't go back well. Oh, and you're supposed to eat provolone cheese, so okay, there it is. Now you can cut off. Alright, so let's just cut a big chunk. It's not a very straight line, but that's a nice chunk. Oh, that actually not come out. Oh, look at that. So, now, how do we put this? Well, I should worry about that one not on camera. So, oh, but now I need milk. Did I already put this? Or I didn't. Kimi, it looks like you're gonna have to do something magic here. Because you need to spin it. See, because I stuffed it too full, I need to spin it. And then put my yogurt in it. And then my milk. I think there might be some spinach. There might be some spinach on here. So, whoop this bad boy. Let's put, ooh, you know what Kimi was going to say? Let's put apple cider vinegar. What could I use here? Pomegranate. Oh, was it? Wow, let's see. Okay, where? Okay, so. Oh yeah. This is looking good, but the lid is not all the way on. It's exciting and green. Now it's not exciting green, it's exciting and brown. That's not the best, but let's see what it tastes like. Okay. I'll just swallow it down. It's all good. Kind of tastes like oh wait. You know what I learned, guys? The keto protein powder has more carbs than the regular protein powder. Go figure. Ooh, give me that straw. Leave that juice out. Have a hair right from your eyes. I can see clear. The hair is gone. I can see all up. Okay, where is my spoon? Okay. Look at that. That came out like almost perfectly clean. That is the best thing to know. I love that. So, yogurt. So I did yogurt, tofu. Okay, because I need to start watching these. Yogurt, tofu, Orgain organic protein powder, creamy chocolate, almond breeze unsweetened original milk, and that looks good. I was gonna make keto pancakes, but alright, so have a great day, guys. Can't see yet, I think it's there. Have a great day, God bless you guys. And keep smiling. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Or not. Or whatever happened. What?